in front of me is Hammerblade 5, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view. Begin by opening two of your apps in the background. Then access them and decide which one you wish to use on the top half of your screen. Then click on the icon of it at the top. Following that, select Split Top from the pop-up and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!